Question number 9. Question number 9 asks, what is the number of quiz scores over 82%? So we know that there's a condition on this, so we're counting the number of quiz scores over 82%. We're going to use the if function along with COUNTIF. So I can put this anywhere close by with my information. I can select this cell, this one, it doesn't matter. On your certification test, it may ask you to use a certain cell to place that number in a certain cell. So just be aware that that's how the question may be posed on your certification test. Okay, so let's begin with what function. Again, you're using the COUNTIF function. So I'm going to go up to my Formulas tab and then click on my Insert function. And I'm looking for COUNTIF. I can type it in, or if it's down here below under Select a Function, I can just select it right there and then click on OK. So now I've used the COUNTIF, or selected that one, and it's asking me what range. Well, the question reads the number of quiz scores. So it doesn't specify which quiz scores, it just says all of them basically. So I'm going to plug in that range for all of them. And now I've got to plug in the criteria, anything over 85%. So I'm going to type in my greater than sign and then the number 82. And then I'm going to click OK. And the number comes out that there are 42 quiz scores over 82%. If you counted them, you would count 42.